So, welcome to my next little video, and I'm here in this shed in the garage, call it what you will. And as it's winter, I've went and invested in a nice pellet stove, so she'll be working in here through the winter. Myself and my brother-in-law Fraser, we installed this yesterday, so really pleased. So what am I going to look at today? Well, some of those of you who've been viewing the channel probably noticed a while ago that I had a problem with a big hole for the door lock, in that this one was lost some metal on one side. So we lost metal down here and got a couple of little holes here. So I tried adding metal to it, but it didn't work because I couldn't get enough place for the copper to hold in the back. So what I've done now, I have a piece of copper here bent over the 2x4, and I've used a big clamp and clamped it towards the outer shell of the door panel. So hopefully I'll be doing a little bit of plug welding, I think they would call it, where I can add metal just to the outer shell. So I'm going to give that a go. Well, perhaps it's not the prettiest of welding, but we'll take a flap disc to it and we'll see what it turns out. So there we have the welds ground down, and as you can see we have added more metal. So I've taken off metal from this side. I'm going to try and use this contour as the maximum I go to, so I won't go beyond this, and I'll be concentrating on this side. And to do this, I'm going to be using this step out bit, which I've marked to which I took a size from the other door. So I just got to do a little bit of careful stepping out. So all cleaned up, a little bit of deeper to do here, but I can do that later. And any dents, which I'm sure will show up, will be done by the body person. But the lock, plenty of space. Of course I'm not going to push it in case these lock tabs lock, which they will, but that's going to be okay. So I'm just going to give this a touch up of primer, but that's going to be good. Thank you for watching, and ask that you subscribe and like the video. I appreciate it, and again, thank you very much. Look forward to the next one. Bye.